Hello everyone, welcome back to the Winter Challenge. For those of you who don't know already, the Winter Challenge is where I get out, fly, and post a video every day that is over 40 degrees, because 40 degrees is the point at which my fingers start to freeze. And today is hardly a challenge because it is in the high 50s, so it's like spring weather. It's ridiculous. But for those of you who've been following along, you know that yesterday I bashed in my FPV camera. So yesterday evening I spent a lot of time reverse engineering the camera mount and then basically copying that and printing a new one based on that design. So you can see we had the fresh mounts that are the same style as the old ones. And then today I got here and despite charging my GoPro, it decided to kill itself overnight, and I didn't know that. So I got here and the battery was dead, so I had to go home, get a fresh battery, and come back. But we're here now and we're gonna fly, and now I will always be bringing fresh batteries for the GoPro, spare batteries for the GoPro with me. So my equipment is trying to fight me pretty hard during this winter challenge, but we're still out here, we made it, and we're flying a pretty cool spot, which will probably break a lot of my equipment, but hopefully we'll still have fun. Enjoy the flight. Please like these videos if you're liking them, and get subscribed because it just really helps me out a lot. So enjoy the flights. Thanks for watching.